Morning. We've ventured into the Kuala Lumpur Bird Park this morning. 21 acres of birds around the place, and we're going to check some out. So far we've seen budgies, and we've got plenty of them in Australia. Show us your feathers. I wonder if that's offensive, like show us your tits. Lee's found a way to make friends. $1 for one of these, so these are 30 cents each. Oh, that's so cute.
Another one, since you're a good fellow. Hey, that's my finger. There you go. Off you go now on your way.
Hello, fancy bin chicken. Wow. Oh, it's a squirrel, not a monkey.
Is that?
Yeah. No, we can see it on the camera. Some sort of flamingo looking thing. Its feathers looking a bit ruggedy. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Maybe they pluck them or something, but yeah, this dude's feathers are not impressive. He's trying hard though. Crikey, man, what happened to your feathers? Oh, the ones up there are nicer looking. Yeah, maybe they're younger and those ones are older or something. This lad's a bit prettier. As an Aussie, one of the things that confuses me a fair bit, these guys, like, I guess it's good that there's so many people employed, but when you're walking around KL, you'll notice that a lot of people are employed to rake leaves. And I don't see the point of that, but that's great, they're employed. One thing that confuses me though is people raking leaves, yet I'm walking past a lot of rubbish and I'm thinking, why wouldn't you just look down there. I've seen a few lids of bottles and rubbish here and there, and I'm thinking, wouldn't that be a priority to be picked up over raking leaves? What am I missing here? There we go. Aren't we a bit mean calling them big chickens? And that pretty one I saw before is a scarlet ibis. Don't mind if I do. They're eating dead fish. Okay, so there's two of them helping themselves to dead fish, and the rest seem to be waiting. Like there's some sort of hierarchy system here, I think. You get ya? Okay.
You gotta walk up to the thing. Here comes a toucan, he wants some food too.
Look up underneath here. I've got 3 containers in here.
Yeah, but the monkey's coming down, he wants something down up there, look.
Oh, hello, sweetheart.
Nice.
Like, what was that?
Yeah, hold it out, it'll even come down to you.
What do you want me to do with that?
Here he comes.
Okay, oh, there's this too. I don't think we're supposed to do this. Hello. Just look at that.
Yeah.
So I'm not really one for birds in cages and stuff, but it's pretty cool to see it. I'm kind of conflicted.
Don't be scared, he won't bite you.
He took it, I touched him. Poor little thing in a cage.
He's gentle.
In Australia, I'm pretty sure we don't do this sort of thing because of diseases and stuff. Yeah, oh, and this so far is my favourite.
Yeah. Oh, look at all your monkeys up top, that could crap on me.
move his body, he just moves his neck and head.
Take some of your feathers for a cap hat.
Right. Hey, where's mine? He's keen. Do you want some bird food to eat? No. Do you want some bird food to feed the birds?
Thank you.
There you go. Oops. Alright, have fun. Pretty much seen everything we want to see so far. The best things that we enjoyed seeing as Aussies were the monkeys, the toucan, oh, it's called a hornbill, so it may not actually be a toucan, and the macaws.
The grey.
Oh, and the grey parrots are pretty cute. So 67, which is roughly 22, 23 Australian dollars per person to see. I mean, it's not really very expensive. I'm one of those people where I'm not real sure where I'm at on bird parks and zoos and stuff in general, but the birds here seem to be happy enough, and I didn't enjoy seeing the Brahminy kites in such a small enclosure though, so I'm hoping maybe that's just every now and then and they move them around the bigger enclosures. Now we're going to head off now, find a taxi and go to Market Central, wasn't it?